Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach Dave Thompson, and you know what my hack today for you is? Well, let's do something with these little hooks right here. And this. This is a squeegee off your auto scrubber. And how do you know if these blades are nice and clean and working right if you never look at them? So here's my hack. Whenever you get done with reusing your auto scrubber, what should you do with this? You should take this, turn it where the facing squeegee is to you, and put it on the hook, just like this, and store it on the wall. That way, everybody has to look at it before they put that back onto their auto scrubber. You know what? Squeegee is the most important part of your machine, so make sure you clean it every night. That's my hack for this week. Come on back and let's explore another hack next time.